Let's dive into everything you need to know about creatine, from what it really is, to how it works, and why it's not just for bodybuilders. Whether you're hitting the gym, playing sports, or just curious about optimizing your energy, this is for you. Before we jump in, hit that subscribe button if you're serious about getting stronger, smarter, and staying informed. New science-backed fitness content is dropping every week. You won't want to miss it. 1. What is creatine? Creatine is a natural compound found mostly in your muscles and also in small amounts in the brain. It's made from 3 amino acids: arginine, glycine, and methionine. Your body makes it in the liver, kidneys, and pancreas. You also get creatine from foods like red meat and fish, but usually not enough for athletic benefits. Supplementing with creatine boosts your body's stores beyond natural levels, which leads us to the magic question. 2. How does creatine work in the body? Time for a mini physiology class, but don't worry, I'll keep it fun. Your muscles run on ATP, adenosine triphosphate, your body's main energy currency. During intense activities like lifting, sprinting, or jumping, ATP is burned up in just seconds. Creatine comes to the rescue in the form of phosphocreatine, which donates a phosphate to regenerate ATP quickly. So instead of your energy tank hitting empty after a few reps, creatine helps refill it fast. More available ATP equals more power, more reps, more output. But that's not all. Creatine pulls water into your muscle cells, increasing their volume. This triggers anabolic signaling, telling your body, hey, we need to grow. That means more muscle building activity at the cellular level. In short, creatine helps you train harder, recover faster, and grow stronger. 3. Why take creatine? The real benefits explained. Let's break down the real, science-backed benefits. More strength and power. By regenerating ATP faster, creatine lets you push more weight, squeeze more reps, and perform at a higher level during explosive movements. Muscle growth. The combination of better performance and increased cell volume leads to greater hypertrophy, or muscle gain. It's not just water weight. Creatine actually boosts protein synthesis when combined with training. Improved recovery. Creatine reduces inflammation and muscle damage after workouts, helping you bounce back faster. Less fatigue. With more ATP available, your muscles don't hit failure as quickly. You feel stronger for longer. Cognitive benefits. Yes, your brain also uses ATP. Studies show creatine may help with mental fatigue, memory, and focus, especially under stress or sleep deprivation. Anti-aging and elderly support. As we age, we lose muscle mass and strength, a process called sarcopenia. Creatine supports muscular function in older adults, improves bone health, and even helps with balance. Athletic performance. Whether you're sprinting, jumping, tackling, or striking, creatine helps you do it harder and recover faster. It's a performance enhancer in multiple sports. 4. Creatine myths busted, based on science. Let's address some popular myths, straight from scientific literature. Creatine causes water retention. Not necessarily. Some people retain a little water inside the muscle, but this isn't bloating. It's intracellular hydration, which can actually enhance performance. Creatine is a steroid. Absolutely not. Creatine is a naturally occurring compound, not a hormone. It has no relation to anabolic steroids. Creatine damages the kidneys. In healthy individuals taking the recommended dose, 3-5 g/day, studies consistently show no negative effect on kidney function, even with long-term use. Creatine causes baldness. There's no solid evidence linking creatine to hair loss. One isolated study raised the question, but it hasn't been replicated or confirmed. Creatine causes dehydration or cramps. Nope. In fact, some studies suggest creatine may improve hydration status and reduce muscle cramping, especially in hot conditions. 5. Who should take creatine and when? Creatine is safe and effective for athletes, gym goers, older adults, vegans/vegetarians who get less from diet. Even adolescents, under proper supervision, may benefit from creatine in sports performance and strength development. The best time to take creatine? Honestly, any time, as long as it's consistent. Some research suggests taking it post-workout with carbs can slightly enhance uptake, but overall, what matters is daily use. And no, you don't need a loading phase. Just 3 to 5 grams per day is enough to saturate your muscles over time. 6. Which form should you use? There are many types on the market: creatine HCl, creatine ethyl ester, buffered creatine. But here's the truth. Creatine monohydrate is the gold standard. It's the most researched, effective, and cost-efficient form. Don't fall for marketing gimmicks. And if this helped you out, drop a like and share it with a gym buddy, or anyone who's been on the fence about taking creatine. You might just help them unlock their full potential. Conclusion: creatine is one of the most effective, safest, and affordable supplements you can take, not just for muscle, but for brain and longevity too. Forget the myths. Trust the science. If you're training hard and want better results, this is your sign. Add creatine to your routine.